Hello everyone. Today, we're getting excited about the new OnePlus Ace 3 Pro, a phone that promises top-of-the-line performance, a stunning display, and a versatile camera system, all at a competitive price point. Let's see if it lives up to the internet's hype. OnePlus Ace 3 Pro boasts a massive LTPO AMOLED display. The OnePlus Ace 3 Pro 5G boasts a massive 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. This display technology not only offers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and incredible contrast, but it can also dynamically adjust the refresh rate to optimize battery life. Support for HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and a peak brightness of 4500 nits ensures an immersive viewing experience, whether you're watching movies, gaming, or browsing the web. Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protects the display from scratches and minor bumps. Unmatched performance for power users. The OnePlus Ace 3 Pro is powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, built on a 4nm process for improved efficiency and performance. This powerhouse is paired with up to a whopping 24GB of RAM, ensuring ultra-smooth multitasking and handling even the most demanding games with ease. With storage options ranging from 256GB to 1TB, you'll have plenty of space for all your apps, photos, and videos. Versatile camera system captures all your moments. The OnePlus Ace 3 Pro features a versatile triple camera system on the back. The main 50MP sensor with OIS is designed to capture stunning photos and videos, even in low light conditions. The 8MP ultra-wide sensor lets you capture expansive landscapes and group shots, while the 2MP macro sensor allows you to get up close and capture the intricate details of small objects. On the front, a 16MP selfie camera ensures you look your best in video calls and selfies. Designed for the modern user. The OnePlus Ace 3 Pro is built with a premium design and packs features to match its powerful specs. While it lacks a 3.5mm headphone jack, it boasts stereo speakers for immersive audio and supports the latest Bluetooth 5.3 standard with advanced audio codecs. A large 6100 mAh battery promises all-day battery life on a single charge, and 100W wired fast charging gets you back up and running in a flash. According to OnePlus, it can charge from 1% to 52% in just 15 minutes. A feature-packed contender in the premium market. With an expected release date around starting of July 2024, the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro is shaping up to be a strong contender in the premium smartphone market. The phone offers a best-in-class display, unmatched processing power, a versatile camera system, and long-lasting battery life with super-fast charging. While the lack of a headphone jack might be a drawback for some, the overall feature set is impressive, especially considering the competitive price tag rumored to be around €410 or 38,999 Indian rupees expected. Our verdict on the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro. Looking for a phone with the latest and greatest features, a powerful processor, and a stunning display without breaking the bank? Would the missing headphone jack be a deal breaker for you? Let me know in the comments below what you think of the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Mobile Munch for more upcoming tech releases and reviews.